Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. And we're actually a little cold. I don't know what's it. It says the temperature is gonna rise, but man, I'm a little cold inside here today. I don't know what's going on. We got Dark Bro FIRST first in the chat, Dark Bro baby. And if you guys haven't seen it, man, Honorarium is honor fire. Dark Bro, man, congratulations. That's absolutely awesome. We got Dark Bro first. We got J Bones shocked. What's second in the chat? Dark, J Bones, Dark, Nick F. Good morning to you, Nick F. Gorilla Invictus, J Bones, Kombu, Pudgy, J Bones, Pudgy, Bender, Dark Bro, Bender, Geoped, Pudgy, Kenneth, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Peter, Dark Bro, Kombu, Dark Bro. All of you guys, thank you very much for being in here right now. We have AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen. It's actually bouncing today. AMC up 1.75% right now. Coming off these 675 lows, currently sitting at 706. That's a nice green line we got there. Shiba Inu coin, unfortunately, pulling back a little bit. Sitting down 3.10% today, 953 points per coin. GameStop not following AMC. AMC putting some nice green lines on there. GameStop putting some red lines on there. GameStop is down 3.23% today. Bitcoin in the bottom left, 41,764. That's a pretty deep purple line here we're seeing, guys. Might be the curl over that we were expecting off that $45,000 mark. Bitcoin yesterday falling down to 40,400, I believe. Currently sitting at 41,700. Finding a little support in that 40,000 area. But I'm telling you right now, if it decides to come back down below this ascending trend line here, it could be a deep correction. So watch out for it. And that's going to go for the rest of the cryptocurrency market as well. You always got to worry about a couple things towards the end of the year. People might be tax loss harvesting. They might be going out there. They might be closing out. They might be doing all kinds of stuff with their cryptocurrency. So please be aware that a lot of that could happen towards the end of the year here. Or this might just be a little technical pullback and we are getting ready to rip once more. Let's see. I want to make sure that I'm still big. Yeah, big Weeble here. We're good to go on that. We got the NASDAQ down on the bottom left. NASDAQ is down 0.23% today, sitting at 14,373 points. AMC, 706. GameStop, 1507. Dogecoin, 9.47 cents. What do we got here now? We got Dark Bro with a member chat. Dark Bro, man, thank you very much for keeping that green name for 10 months of bro, dude. Oh, 10 months? Nah, 20 months. A true bro today. Honorarium is doing great as always. Do your own research, but we are doing phenomenal. $250,000, $250,000. Here we come. Dark Bro, man, congratulations on that. Didn't we call a $100,000 market cap by the end of the week, and you absolutely hit it, dude? Oh my gosh. Should we start calling $1 million market cap by the end of the year? I don't know, man, but it's looking pretty solid, at least at the moment, Dark. Ethereum sitting at $2,216, pulling back a little bit today, 1.12% lower. Shib down 3%, Bitcoin down 1%. The SPY sitting at 460.62. QQQ is 393, man. QQQ looking pretty solid, hitting some annual highs. And guys, we are less than 10%. Wow, 403 was the all-time high there, and we're at 393. We're like 3% off of all-time highs for the stock market. The bear market's over. I mean, we're 3% off all-time highs. The bear market is over for stocks. Mullen Auto getting ripped once again. Mullen Auto all-time low? Yes. Mullen Auto at an all-time low today, 1261 right there. Currently sitting at 1273. Mullen Auto is down 14% on the day today. Not looking good for Mullen Auto. Sundial, $1.45. Netflix, 468. Highcroft Mining, down 5% to 198. All-time low? No, 163 is the all-time low there. MPW, 470. Tesla, 238. Amazon, 145. And Apple down to 192. Man, AMC outperforming the rest of the bunch here today. But we're going to watch Bitcoin down on the bottom left-hand side of the screen, and hopefully it begins to bounce back unless you guys want one last dip buying opportunity. Dude, Celestia's still looking a little bit too strong. Giovanni, it's quiet. Too quiet. Celestia's strong. Too strong. Yeah, we're going to look at Celestia in a second here. I checked it out last night to see if it was dipping along with Bitcoin, and the answer was it was not. It was still above $10, so we'll see where it's at today, man. Let's finally learn how to buy on PancakeSwap. Took me a while, but I got it. Very nice. 4K. 4,000. If I posted 4,000 pieces of content, Nick F, if I posted 4,000 pieces of content, oh my god, dude. I'm going to catch up to the Ape Father if that's the case. If I posted 4,000 pieces of content, Ape Father better watch out, man. Better watch out. He better not cry. Ape Father, I'm coming for you, and I'm telling you why. 'Cause Clay Bro is coming to town. Yes, you have. Holy smokes. Nick F, man, thank you very much for letting me know I hit the 4,000 pieces of content milestone. And, yeah, man, you better tell the Ape Father I gotta watch out. Read your comments. Been posting it since Friday. No, I do read the comments. I literally did not know what you meant until I read it right now, because I've been clicking the heart on the comments there. And, 4K, I was trying to think of it this morning when I clicked the heart on it. And I was like, 4,000, dude. 4,000 what, man? This video's, is he saying this video is going to get 4,000 views? Like, is that what he's saying there? We're going to get 4,000 views on this video? But, no, he's talking about 4,000 total videos, live, shorts, all that stuff posted. Nick F keeps track of the milestones, guys. You got to watch out for that one. Giovanni will pull up Celestia in a second of 250,000 his new milestone. Heck yeah, Dark Bro, make it happen. When, dogs? I don't know. Are we talking about somebody else? I just want to make enough so I can earn my dream car, that 03 Toyota Camry. Roulette wheel, you will, man. Guess what I have decided? What I'm going to do, since we've reached a $100,000 milestone, I will be buying and giving away a free bro hoodie. Now, Dark Bro, we got enough free bro hoodies to be giving away, man. We got enough of those free hoodies to be giving away. Dark Bro wants to give away another free hoodie. Oh my gosh. Very cool, Dark Bro. You can do whatever type of giveaway you want, man. Whatever, whenever, all that good stuff. But I think that's absolutely awesome. And Dark, dude, seriously, you guys are killing it. I do want to point out, and I'm sure Dark and all of you guys are already aware of this, because I have been keeping track of Honorarium. Honorarium is currently sitting on, I believe, 4% left in the PancakeSwap liquidity pool, 4 or 5% there. So, increased transactions could absolutely help, right? Buying and selling and creating some volume there. And you know, don't do this to manipulate the price or whatever, but you're going to need to keep some money in that liquidity pool. I think it's awesome that a part of the tax goes back to the liquidity pool. But if there's nothing left for anybody to buy, nobody's going to be able to buy it. So I don't know if Dark Bro has any intentions on ever being able to set up staking or anything like that, providing, or liquidity farming or anything like that. I don't even know if that's a possibility for a smaller coin. But, yeah, you guys, watch out for the liquidity pool on it. But, nonetheless, man, Dark Bro, you guys are absolutely stinking killing it, dude. Let's see, there's a guy that sold all of his HRM, taking the price yesterday, but eventually, yeah, roulette wheel. I was watching it, man. I was literally watching it at like the exact time that it was doing it. And I saw it went from like a $116,000 market cap down to about a $73,000 market cap in a couple candles. And then right back up. I mean, right back up. Let's see. Read your comments. Been posted since Friday. Oh, I read them, Nicholas. I read them. 31 people in here, only 12 likes. Hit the like button and listen to Robert. Milady is up 210% in 4 days. Holy smokes. Meme coins are coming back, guys. Hey, y'all. Did you have a great weekend? Gary, I did have a great weekend. Did you have a great weekend, man? Today sucks, but I'm still happy. Good. If today sucks, dude, I'm glad you're still happy. Everybody does have hard days, man. You know, there's no denying that. There's no getting over that. Everybody does have good days. So even if you have to tell yourself that you're all right, that you're still happy, even if you got to force yourself to believe it, Do it, man, because tomorrow's a different day. Tomorrow's a new day. All the possible scenarios related to those theoretical models, something. So yeah, we definitely covered that in the Discord. Very, very nice, Dark Bro. Roulette Wheel. Thank you very much for the super chat. Roulette Wheel is saying, can you do a poll of who owns Honorarium? My money has doubled since I got in. Well, yeah, I mean, we can't. I'll do a poll so it's anonymous if you guys want to keep that on the screen for a second, because you guys don't have to say if you do and do not own. Let's see. Where is my poll button? They changed this around. Engage. Start a poll. All right, I'm gonna listen. I'm not gonna leave this on the screen for very long because it takes up my ability to view the chat. So keep the chat going fast, and then click yes or no if you want. Obviously, it's anonymous. It's just a poll right there. So yeah, you guys can gauge that. But very cool. Oh, don't do this again, man. What? I just reset you. Hold on. Let me see. Is that the one that I'm on? Oh, okay. I don't know why that wasn't working, but here it is. I had to redo the stats. So while you guys are doing that poll or whatever, I will let you know that there are currently 79 different token holders in Honorarium. The top one, obviously, you're due with 29%. I don't know if he has had any sell transactions at all yet. Seem to be all ins over the last. I mean, this guy is not dropping anything. He's just accumulating here. So very nice on that one with the top holder for Honorarium. I don't know. I don't know whose wallet is whose wallet anymore. I completely forget all your guys' stuff. So no issues there. But Pancake Swap, the liquidity pool, guys. Liquidity pool down here with 4.8% of the tokens left. 506 million tokens remaining as outstanding. The total market cap obviously isn't going to show up because there's no price associated with it right now on BSC scan. My gosh, I don't know why I couldn't think of that. But here, dude, if you're looking at DEX tools, this is just like absolutely phenomenal. Nobody is selling this stinking coin. The last sell was a $5.60 sell right here. The one prior to that was 16. I don't know if you can see the price action from yesterday, but yeah, you had a lot of sells coming in right here yesterday. They dropped the price back down a little bit, but then it absolutely picked back up. Nothing but higher highs being hit. And you were literally sitting at 4 zeros and an 11 right now. It's priced higher than Shiba Inu coin. Think about that. 24-hour volume, $6,000, man. Dark Bro's volume is actually kicking up pretty nice here. Says 78 holders. BSC scans got you at 79 holders. $12,000 in the liquidity pool and $123,000, $890 market cap. Very, very nicely done right there. I think that's awesome, guys. So, Dark Bro, absolutely keep it up, man. Where are we going? Pika Power. Good morning, Pika. What's going on? Big government watching your computer clip. Robert, they do, man. Why are they doing that? Why are they doing that? You connected to the internet, though. Technically, don't they think that they own the airwaves? Don't they think that they own everything? My goodness, dude. You buy your house and they still charge you taxes on it to live there. I'm literally renting this house from the government through these stupid property taxes. After Chairman Powell speaks, the market will fly. Wait for it. Wait for it. Challenge channel. That's the first time I've actually seen anybody ever excited about Jerome Powell speaking. Just got on. Now shared this live broadcast in groups in USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Europe, Mexico. Total 75,000 plus members. Patrick, man. That's what I'm talking about. I love to see it, dude. Ending 419.8. My wallet in 973. Sorry. D is the other. Well, very nice, Gary. I actually don't know if that was one of the top ones there or not. mean, we can scroll back through and see it if you want. I never caught it a rug, Dark. I'm supporting you 1,000%. Heck yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about. Pancake swap's kind of hard to figure out. It took me 2 to 3 hours when I finally bought it. Yeah, roulette wheel, I guess it can be a little tricky if you're used to, especially if you're used to centralized exchanges. But I would say finding your coin is like the hardest part. But honestly, it might be much more difficult if you type the name of the coin in. If you simply paste the contract address, it really isn't that hard, I think, to figure it out. So, like, once you do it once, I feel like, okay, well, you've done this. Now you should really know what's going on here. Do you feel that way? Do you feel that way after you've done it? It's kind of like, well, it really isn't that hard, right? Let's see. VTHOEL. Let's check that out along with Celestia here. Guys, get a vote in real quick if you do want to vote on that poll right there. I'm going to pull it off so I can actually see the chat here. It takes up a lot of the screen. I don't know why it takes up so much. They should literally put it at the top of the screen so it takes up the old text instead of the new text falling in, and then that way I wouldn't fall behind. But yeah, they don't. So vote if you want to vote. I'm going to pull that thing off right now. We'll see the results. Celestia DAO pre-sale live today. Interesting, Bender. Okay. And I do want to make you guys aware, okay? And please, this would be one way that you could support as well. I'm going to be doing a video for the Bitcoin ETF coin, BTC ETF pre-sale. It is going to be a sponsored video, okay? What they want to see is engagement. So if I do post it, even if you're not necessarily interested in buying right away or anything like that, it would be awesome if you guys could watch that video. If you could check out their website, they're going to have a link in the description and stuff like that. But yeah, that's gonna be one of the first sponsored videos I've done. I did a couple for Webull like two years ago when AMC was taking off, but it's gonna be one of the first sponsored videos in a very long time, and they're looking for engagement. Okay, so make sure to check that video out whenever it does get posted, and engage if you can. I would absolutely appreciate it. I would love to be able to start a relationship with these guys, and if they need some videos, if they need some sponsored videos, I think that would be awesome. So I appreciate any support that you guys got on that, especially knowing it's one of my first ones, and I want it to work out. So let's pull this bad boy off here. So we're at about 50-50, guys. 55% yes votes, 45% no votes right there. 31 total votes coming in. Thank you very much. Roulette Wheel sponsored that poll right there. And we were at 54-45. I don't know how they get that. It's 55-45, right? So let's take a look at a couple of these guys. We all pay rent, no nothing but clothes on our backs. It's crazy, dude. It's scary. I'm pretty sure that they would take that if they could, dude. Really, the only thing you own is your thoughts, man. That's why I get so upset when these people so blindly follow other people and just do what they say or do what they think, man. It's crazy. You know what I mean? Like, don't ever just blindly follow what I say either. Don't do that, man. Think for yourself. You're gonna be much better. But yeah, I had 300. It's now worth over $2,000. Take my profit and run. Now, Giovanni, that's up to you, man. With Bitcoin, if Bitcoin does pull back, yeah, dude, you're going to see a pullback in Celestia. But for some reason, man, Celestia, Caspa, I got a decent feeling about these layer 0 blockchains and these new layer 1 blockchains that are coming out. I guess it depends on your time frame. You might be able to get Celestia again for it might fall back down to that $2, $3, $4 range. So completely up to you what you want to do, man. If you got out now, it would still be a phenomenal trade, man. $302,000 is phenomenal, dude. Celestia's the first one we're going to pull up. Celestia's sitting at 1043. Yes, the crypto market is down, but Celestia is up. Celestia tapping some all-time highs here around $11.20. So I don't know, man, and you could be a little bit more cautious if you want, but Celestia's actually looking good on the week. It is curling up right now, and the momentum, the pressure is to the upside. So just take a look at that, man. Watch that. It's not falling, so I wouldn't be in a super hurry to get out or anything like that. Bonk is another one that has been going crazy. Bonk currently sitting on a $723 million market cap, up over 100x. since being introduced at the beginning of the year. Think about that, man. Holy smokes. 100x gain over the course of the year. And the vast, vast majority of that came here. That's basically your 100x gain just in the last couple months, man. So, bonk, absolutely going wild. Solana still above 70. Ooh, no. Solana is not above 70 right now. Solana dropping back down a little bit. Now, I don't know if... I don't think the CoinMarketCap is going to show that Celestia DAO token there. And there was one more you guys wanted to see, right? Crap. EL. Where did EL go? VTHO. EL wanted to see VTHO. Let's pull that up. VTHO. VThor. Wow. All right, man. 40% gains in a day. I have no idea why this bad boy's ripping 40% in a single day. But yeah, dude, if you're here, I would, man, I don't know. That had a phenomenal run to an $800 million market cap back in 2021 there. So yeah, dude, you could 8x to get back up to these levels. This price is legitimate, but that's a long way to go, knowing it's already up very nice here. Over the last year, you've seen some decently quick gains like this, but then they usually pull back pretty fast as well. Decently fast gain right here, pulling back. But it did just break through this resistance level. I mean, it just broke through that today. So I don't know why VTHO is gaining the way that it is right now, but it's breaking out of resistance and currently moving higher. I mean, I don't see an issue with making those gains and then possibly being a little bit conservative as it starts to pull back, or a little bit more cautious as it starts to pull back. But yeah, man, VThor token looking pretty good today. EL, man, it's been great. It made 5. Oh my gosh, EL, phenomenal, dude, phenomenal. Just be cautious. That's all I can tell you, man. I can't tell you to buy. I can't tell you to sell any stuff like that. But be cautious with it. If it does start to pull back, it is completely up to you, man. But that's a hefty gain in a very quick time period. It's done it before, and then it starts to give it back. Don't give it back. At least don't give all of it back, man. Beam. Is Beam ripping as well? Bender says Beam. Let's see what Beam is doing. Not B-Beam, just Beam. Well, it's not ripping today by any means, but Beam is doing... Look, this is the kind of graph that you love to see, man. A 254% gain, basically, in the last month, and no real pullbacks. So, yeah, dude, Beam is looking solid as well. Clebra! No one else has said it, but I'm predicting BeamX will be used on the X Twitter platform. Is that this one, or is that a different coin, Outdoor? Is that this? You're not talking about this one with $2,000 in the liquidity pool, right? Are you talking about this one right here? Or is BeamX different? Let me know, because I don't know. I haven't seen anything about it. Mark Ledrick here with the Shiba development team. Is what happened to Shiba Inu? Yes. I might have missed what Mark said. Sorry if I did. Paper hands. Michael Ali. What's up, Mike? Exciting times ahead for Bitcoin with the potential of the Bitcoin ETF by the SEC. We can see a broader audience diving FOMOing into the internet. And Crypto Burger is absolutely right, guys. If ETFs get approved, we are most likely going to see a lot of institutional money flowing into Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, and so on. And a lot of new retail money. People who trust stocks and ETFs, but don't trust Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. Let's see. Luke says, thoughts on Chainlink? Went to sleep last night and then it crashed hard. Still holding on for dear life. Yeah, Luke, let's... as long as it's not... I haven't seen Chainlink today, but as long as it's not, like, ridiculously larger of a decline than what Bitcoin saw, you're probably going to be okay. So let's see where Link is at here. But Bitcoin fell 10% yesterday. It's bouncing back a little bit, but all right. So along with Bitcoin, I'll just bring up the Bitcoin chart real quick so you can see that this is not that far out of the ordinary. So Bitcoin falling pretty hard, and Bitcoin actually coming back down right now. I don't know why, you know, whatever candles they're on, they're definitely not using wicks, because this did decline further than 41,600. But because of these wicks, it's probably showing you the close of this candle back up at 41,600. Bitcoin is down 5%. Chainlink is down 8%. Very, very similar price action. Do I think that you should be nervous that Chainlink is falling this way? No, because it's not like Chainlink is getting destroyed. It's following the overall crypto market. It's following Bitcoin, which is what it theoretically should do. But, I mean, you should get nervous if you think that Bitcoin is going to be pulling back to 40,000, 35,000, 30,000, and so on. So if you do think that this is the time for Bitcoin to curl over here, that it does not maintain this level of support, and the Bitcoin does fall back down through and begins to test support down here again at 35, 36, 37,000, yeah, man, you're not going to want to sit on Chainlink then, because Chainlink could absolutely fall alongside Bitcoin there and keep moving lower. So that's my thoughts on it, Luke. Hopefully you got that there. Celestia, could it go up? And the market goes up. Celestia can hit new all-time. Oh, yeah. Giovanni. Yeah, dude. So I don't think that Celestia is necessarily going to be completely detached from the crypto market, and Bitcoin pulls back to 30,000 and Celestia for some reason rips up to $20, $30. I really don't think that we're there yet. It could do that during an altcoin season or during a bull market or something, but I think it's going to be correlated to some degree. Obviously, today, Celestia is doing very well, but Bitcoin is pulling back rather heavy. So it doesn't always have to follow it perfectly, but I absolutely believe that if the market turns and begins to go back up, why would Celestia not continue to go back up? It's only at a $1.5 billion market cap, and I don't exactly know what they're doing with their Layer 0 blockchain or anything like that, but, you know, dude, if they're building, man, they can be worth more than $1 billion. Cherry Cordials Ice Cream 4. I missed what Pudgy said there. I scrolled down. Man, we got a couple. I gotta scroll down heavy, man. Dark Bro's coming in pretty good right here. Dark Bro! You are on set with the Clay Bro YouTube channel right here. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the on-set action here on Clay Bro's YouTube channel live. Dark Bro, man, thank you very much for that super chat right there. He's got some other ones we're gonna keep back up, and we're gonna come live with the chat here. Dark Bro knows what time it is. It's time to get hard. Like a diamond. Dark Bro, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you on that one. And Dark... Dark Bro, thank you very much for all of those super chats. My goodness, Dark, man, thank you very much for all of that. We're catching back up to the chat, man. Dark Bro, thank you very much for all of those. Bringing us back to the top of the chat as well. Did you guys get an ad at 12:25? I want to know what they got. There is an honor token with a market cap of 98 million. If honorarium reaches even close to all the current honorarium holders, will be rich. Oh yeah, dude. If you guys reach a $98 million market cap, you're gonna be 100xing, right? You're gonna 10x to get to the $1.2 million market cap, and then you'd be 100xing from there. You would 1,000x your money. So you invest $20, you're gonna have 20 grand. You invest $100, you're gonna have 100 grand. You invest $1,000, you're gonna have $1 million from the current levels, and that's assuming you're not already in, because of course you would have needed to invest much less than that. The problem will arise, though. The problem will arise that if you guys do, and I mean all of you, it's at a $100 million market cap, and there's 200 holders. And you guys are all sitting on like $300,000. If you do go to shave a massive amount of your position and finally cash out, it's going to tank the price, man. No ad. Haven't seen it. Got an ad. All right. They pay attention to Giovanni. Outdoor Smile, man. They know this dude's not a consumer. Nope. Oh, Dark. Nope. Oh, Dark. Nope. Oh, Dark bro, man. Thank you very much for that super chat as well, man. That right there is for Pudgy. Nope. Pudgy. I don't know what you said, man, but that's for you. I like how I started reading one of my comments and just stopped like, no, Pudgy. I was reading it and then I was scrolling down slow, thinking that it was not going to like jerk down, and then it just went to the bottom of the chats, and I started to scroll back up and I couldn't find it at all. So I don't know where it went. I didn't want to spend like 30 seconds scrolling around looking for it, like, oh no, where did Pudgy's chat go? I didn't want to do it, man. I didn't want to do it. So I'm very sorry that I did do that. Yes, it's a true story. It did happen. Let's see here. It's the fluffiest thing I've ever seen. You got fluffied, man. You got fluffed. I'm Pudgy's fluffer. Wait, no, you can't say that, can you? Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro says, that actually got a little dangerous right there. Oh man, I hit some turbulence and I was a little lightheaded at the end of that. And yeah, dude. Oh gosh, Dark. All right, I got you, man. I got you. Oh my god. Oh, Dark Bro, thank you very much for all of the super chats. Click and pass out. Indubitably, man, that was a little close right there. I was intentionally hitting the turbulence, but something happened, man. I came up on my heels. I came up on my heels a little bit, probably at the wrong time, man. I was just slightly lightheaded, and you guys are. You guys are gonna get me on this one. I don't know what you guys are doing. Dark Bro. Dark Bro, man, thank you very much for the yippee! 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 Outdoor smile, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro, thank you very much for trying to kill me. Oh my gosh. I was trying to tell you guys a story too, man. I was trying to tell you guys a story. I was envisioning it while I was flying through the air there, and I was coming back down, and I thought it was cute, so I wanted to tell you. My brother, I don't know if he ever shows up in the live streams, if he watches or anything like that, but I do want to say congratulations to my brother. He had an offer accepted on a house yesterday. I think that's absolutely incredible. So congratulations to you, man. You're absolutely killing it. Very, very nice offer. Very, very nice acceptance, nice negotiation, all that good stuff. So shout out to you. But he tells my nephew this morning, right? He tells my nephew that if everything goes right, you know, they're going to be moving. And he goes, well, you just have to make sure that you bring all of my toys. That's his first concern. Second concern is, Dad, I can't pick up the couch, but I can help you move some of those dumbbells. So he's all ready to help move, man. He can't pick up the couch. This kid's 4 years, I think he's 4 years old, man. He can't pick up the couch, but he's got to make sure that Dad takes all of his toys, and he's got to make sure that, you know, Dad knows he will help move some of the stuff. He just can't lift an entire couch up. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Dark Bro, what are we waiting on, man? Nobody knows. Nobody knows what we're waiting on. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Oh my gosh. And yeah, I wish he was in here. I don't know if he's in here hanging out. He's obviously working, but I don't know if he's I don't know if he listens while he works or not or anything like that. But yeah, if he's ever in here or whatever, and I say, you know, make sure you guys give a shout out, I do think that's very sweet, man. Let's see, Clay, you should just do an emoji show. Lonnie, I am really honestly starting to get a little scared that if Dark Bro's coin continues to rip just like massively higher, I will be forced to do an entire emoji show. And it will be like no interaction, no chat, nothing. It is just going to be Dark Bro abusing me for at least an hour, hopefully not longer. But yeah, Lonnie, that is an absolute possibility, man. Kid's got his priorities straight. You need to make sure you get all of my toys over to that other house, man. Dark Bro! We got ourselves a goal! You guys can't even see that I'm like sliding on this, though. Goal! Dark Bro, we got ourselves not much room back here. Goal! Dark Bro, thank you very much for the goal! We can do a little bit better than that, can't we? Goal! Dark Bro, that's as far as I can slide right here. We hit the goal, Dark Bro. We hit the goal. And Dark Bro's next goal, guys, $250,000 market cap. 250,000. He's gonna hit it when he doubles the price action. And I'm telling you guys right now, with so little left in the liquidity pool, when you add more in, it is going to rip the price, man. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Okay. Did anybody authorize my hydration today? I've got to, man. I've got to. Oh, jeez. I'm still alive. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the goal. Thank you very much for the superhero, super flying, super chat, man. Thank you to everybody else in here that is absolutely still paying attention, even though we haven't mentioned a coin in like the last 8 minutes. Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, thank you, thank you, thank you, man. Congrats to Clay's Bro. Pika Power, thank you very much for that. I'm on lunch now, about to go back. Darn, I'm gonna miss the rest. Ernesto, man. Mr. Rivera. You're just going to have to come back into the afternoon live stream if you got to work for a while. It'll be okay. It typically does get a little bit better. Yeah, so you are going to miss something, but you'll be back for the good stuff. Good afternoon, everybody. Suzuki, what's going on? Pfft, keep ignoring Putty, and I'm going to torture you. Well, Putty, I'll never ignore you again. Putty. Yeah, you're good. 100,000 to 250,000 by next week. Roulette wheel. I'm calling $1 million by the end of the month, man. Now, I don't exactly know how it's going to work out for Dark when, if everything in the liquidity pool ends up being owned and getting bought up. I think you guys are going to need to see some transactions to see those taxes go back and fund the Pancake Swap liquidity pool there. But yeah, roulette wheel, man. I'm hoping you guys hit a stinking $1 million market cap, man. Oh my gosh. I'm done now. Back to business. Dark Bro, thank you very much for everything, man. What do we got, man? What do we got? Clay. Clay Bro. Thank you very much for the mustache. Clay Bro, I thank you. I thank you, Clay Bro. I thank myself for the mustache. Thank you very much. Clay Bro's mustache. Thank you very much for Clay Bro's mustache right there. It says paid endorsement for honorarium from Clay Bro. So we're going to pull honorarium up on the chart right here, and I do have to shout out to Pika real quick. You guys can check that out for 2 seconds while I say Pika! Pika, thank you very much for the super chat. Love that one. That's a little cute guy right there. Look how happy and in love he is. That's absolutely perfect. We got ourselves a paid endorsement for honorarium right here from Clay Bro himself, apparently. Very nice. Guys, honorarium, seriously. I mean, if you look at it, if you look at the daily chart, now you can't see it on this one, so I am going to break it down with, it might show it on the hourly. We might need to go like a 5, 10, 15 minute chart here real quick. But if you look at this daily, right? This daily is just absolutely beautiful. We've only had 1, 2, 3 red days in honorarium and no real pullbacks. I mean, if you're looking at this here, there's really no pullbacks in the price of honorarium. It has been solid growth, and that's because the vast majority of holders have simply bought and held. It's showing 78 holders right here on Dex Tools. It's showing 79 holders on BSC Scan. If you come over and you break down the daily, yesterday could have been a little concerning for a lot of people. So if you're looking at the hourly chart yesterday, we had, it was probably here. Yeah, it was probably this area right here. So, I mean, all in all, this still isn't like that crazy of a move because you've already seen it regain all of that red candle right there. You've already seen it go up. But if you do break this down and you look at it, honorarium was trading at around 1180 and dropped all the way down to 63 or 630. So 1180 down to 630 is nearly, I mean, it wasn't a full 50% decline, but it went from roughly $116,000 market cap very quickly to, I believe it was at a $73,000 market cap if I caught the bottom on it. And that was the result of I believe, these sell transactions in here. I could be slightly off with the timing, but somebody coming in and selling a decent chunk of honorarium caused the price to go down. And you guys already accounted for it and bought right back in, and the price is right back up. So honorarium has actually been very, very well, or been performing very, very well over the last, it's been on about a week and a half already, I think. And nothing but solid gains across the board so far. If you guys are interested in buying it, right, I'm sure Dark Bro somewhere, you guys can follow his Twitter account, you can follow his Discord, whatever he's got. Make sure you just grab the contract address right here, paste it into PancakeSwap, and you'll be able to buy it. Don't buy, I don't know if there's any fake honorariums out there or not at this point, but make sure you use this contract right here if you are trying to get a hold of it. Gary! Oh, Gary, I see you. Gary, man, thank you very much for this super chat. Loving it, man. Appreciate all you guys having a lot of fun. This is a lot of fun for a Monday morning live stream. Oh, but I will say this, and you guys actually just, I don't know why Gary reminded me of this, but saying Monday morning live stream, I will most likely, now I'm not going to say this like set in stone, but I will most likely not be going live Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday this week. It's gonna depend on a couple things, but I'm gonna be hanging out with my grandpa basically all week this week. So I'm gonna have to use a lot of the time just to make sure I get the videos done, get the videos scheduled, all of that. And then, of course, hanging out. I don't necessarily want to just leave him alone while I'm doing a live show or anything like that. So I'll have to see how it works out. I have to see if what happens with all that and stuff. But I do want to make you guys aware. Tomorrow may be the last streams for the week. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday could be a different story. So just wanted to pull that up because I'll probably forget about it tomorrow. And saying Monday morning, Gary reminded me that this is going to be a slightly different week. So just to put that out there. I don't know the schedule 100% for sure yet, but yeah, definitely just wanted to make you guys aware of it in case you're wondering what the heck's going on. However, when I sold, I did in small increments, so not to tank the price on my behalf. Very nicely done, Suzuki. Probably a very, very smart strategy. My wife and I just bought another 10 million of Shiba Inu coin last night. We have a total of 77 million Shib. Clark, man, very, very nice. Clark, I don't know if you guys shop on Amazon as well, but I have a link. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but I've got a link in the description of all of my videos, my Twitter account. You can find it basically anywhere at this point. Burning, you guys don't have to buy the Shib merch or Bro merch or anything like that, but anything that you normally buy on Amazon, if you open Amazon through that link, it's like, Amazon considers it a sale for me. And since I drove that traffic to Amazon, they generate a commission. That commission is going to be used to burn Shiba Inu coin. So if any of you guys buy anything on Amazon, make sure you use that link, right? It's no extra money spent for you guys. All the prices are the same. You'd be buying the stuff anyway, and you can contribute to those Shiba Inu coin burns. Share that link with your family. They can use it. I mean, it's a benefit for you if you're a Shib holder and they're not a Shib holder, but there's no disadvantage for them in any way. The landing page is the Shiba Inu coin merchandise. So the landing page is Shib hoodies, Shib t-shirts, Shib pillows, and so on. But you do not have to buy any of those. You can just scroll up to the top, and I'll just show you what the landing page is. I already got it up. And then you can buy anything you want. So this needs to update, actually. Yeah. Updated today, guys. We've already accumulated, literally nobody spending anything extra has already accumulated over 10 million Shiba Inu coin, and I think it's been going on for about a week. So you don't have to buy any of this stuff. You can simply just search Amazon as long as you open it through that link that's in the description of the videos. So yeah, man, help yourself out and burn that supply Shib. Honorarium, an unofficial, a bro coin. Hey man, it was created by a bro, so I like it. What's the Discord? Joseph, probably that right there. Side hustle, maybe another $244 last week. Can't wait for 2024 to start on Roth for another year. Now that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, dude, I can see Frank. Dude, if Frank is, Frank, I don't know your totals of what you got out there, but I do know that your dividend income is phenomenal, like $800 a month. I hope, this is going to be conservative, okay? I hope you can easily get that above $1,000 a month throughout 2024. Now, you set the goals nice and easy. I'm sure you'll pass that. I really would like to see you double that. I don't know if that's a possibility or not. But dude, if you're ripping $1,000 a month in dividend income, Frank, you are really, really doing well and padding your portfolio there in a nice way. Let's see. Oh my gosh, have you seen the price of what? It's real coin, but look at the price. No, I have not seen it, so let's do it. Oh, all's well, Pat. Yeah, J-Bones, all's well, man. Good days and bad days, you know. Just, you gotta spend as much time as you can with people when they remember that you can spend time with them, right? Let's just put it that way. But Pap's doing good, and it's gonna be a fun week. It's gonna be a fun week. It's gonna be a fun, if you guys pray for people. Pray that it's a fun week, and it will be. So I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna be nice to spend the rest of the week with Pap here. We'll tell Pap we all said hi from the bros. Absolutely, Dark Bro. I will. It is funny, right? You know, what did you do today? Record videos. It's the same conversation all the time. But I'm sure if I tell him, I'm sure he'll know what the bros are, who the bros are. I might have to say, like, well, the people that watch the videos that I make, they wanted to tell you hi and stuff like that. And then I might have to tell them several other times. But appreciate you guys giving a shout out to Pap right there. I think that's awesome, man. Let's see. How did you get banned from... I don't think I'm banned on Twitter, Aru. I don't think I'm banned. I think I'm blocked. I think I'm blocked by, like, Lucy and all those people. But I don't think I'm banned on Twitter. I want to sell my Shib and put it into honorarium. My Shib hasn't done anything for me in the past 2 years. Roulette wheel. I mean, that's a possibility. Shiba Inu coin is probably less volatile than honorarium is. Obviously, you know that. But, dude, I mean, if you guys take honorarium to $1 million market cap, that's another 10x. Pull out 10% at that point. The price will drop back down a little bit, but you got all your money back out. And you're just letting that ride and see what happens with it. I mean, that is a possibility, right? Let's see here. Let's see where we go. But I do believe see more gains on our energy. From opinion, quite possibly. But I will say this as well, Dark Bro. With such a small market cap, it is very volatile and very risky. We saw what happens when people sell about $1,000 worth, and it does have a very significant impact on the price. So just as long as people know that, dude, I couldn't care less if you go out there and you're making the decision, you buy all of it, man. Completely cool with whatever you guys do with your money. I didn't earn your money. I'm not going to spend your money. But just know what you're doing if you do it. Pudgy says no spam in the chat. Pudgy doesn't want anybody spamming anything. What's the Claybro Discord? Seems like Dark Bro might have the Claybro Discord right there for you, Joseph Garcia. Appreciate you, Dark. Just got smacked with ads. We'll skip 6 seconds in the second one. Boom, Suzuki. Thank you very much for doing so. And yeah, it does seem as though 12:50 another ad comes. So you guys probably got an ad at 12:25 and an ad at 12:50 there. Yes, Giovanni. I will pull that up. Honestly, I don't know if YouTube wants me even saying that, or they might think it's the stream's inappropriate. So I will see if it pulls up here. Gotta be this one, man. Gotta be this one. Let's see. What the heck is this price? Well, these guys went the opposite direction of Shiba Inu coin and Honorarium and all of those coins. Instead of having billions, trillions, or quadrillions of tokens outstanding, Odyssey here has one token. Simply one token. And the current price of this token is $220 million. $220,594,000 per coin. Now, I don't know why the market cap is sitting right here. The market cap should be the price since there's one coin outstanding. But $5.4 million in volume today, and it's listed on a few exchanges. It's on SushiSwap, it's on BitGet, and it's on MEXC Global. So make sure to check it out there if you guys are interested in it. Price is up 38% today. It's seen some wild action before, going from $1.4 million up to $380 million in the last week alone. And then overall, it really hasn't been out that long. So this coin was issued, looks like December 1st of 2023. Had a very nice spike when it probably got listed on MEXC or somewhere. Had a nice spike with some higher volume there. Came back down, was sitting at that $1 million price again, and is now on its way back up. So yeah, dude, that's a wild price because there's only one coin outstanding. And it's doing some decent volume, man. So if you guys are interested in owning a portion of one coin, it's kind of the opposite effect of Shib and all of these smaller meme coins. You get one coin instead of a quadrillion coins out there. Coming down here, I took a lot of my little crap tokens and converted them to HRM. I'm doing very well with that choice. Very nice, Suzuki. ARUN was talking to me, not you. Oh, gotcha. Aru Basu. I'm very sorry about that. I thought he was talking to me. Gary, very nice, and thank you very much for clearing that up, because I was like, oh crap, dude. Did I get banned from Twitter and I don't even know it? Like, did these idiots, they disagree with me and call me names all day long? Did they go out there and get enough of the I guess, ecosystem team members together to report my account or something, and they banned me? Oh, gosh. Gary, you had me worried, man. You had me worried. Aru, you had me worried for a second there. Oh, that's an interesting concept. It is, JB. It is. And you know what? I think it's probably going to have as much marketing potential as these lower-priced meme coins, where you could buy 1 million for $1. Because now people are saying, and Giovanni, a perfect example, people are saying, well, look, that price is $1 million. So you're still getting people to look at it. Suzuki, thank you very much for the Streamlabs super chat. We just bought some appliances totaling approximately $5,000 using your Amazon link this past week. How much Shiba Inu do you think it's going to generate for the burn? So Suzuki, if you did, it'll probably be updated either tomorrow or the next day, because Amazon is like, they're like either 24 to 48 hours behind. So what I have seen on average is a 1% commission. Now it depends, right? Some of the categories like luxury beauty products and stuff like that, And I'm actually starting to believe that that's why a lot of these girls do makeup tutorials and clothing hauls and stuff like that, is because those commissions range between like 5 and 10%. So I actually don't know where the commission is going to be set on that, but if it falls into that 1% category, what's going to end up 1%, 10% would be $500. So it might contribute $50 to Burns, or an additional 5 million Shiba Inu coin, simply for buying them anyway. So I think that's absolutely awesome, dude. If you went in there and bought $5,000 worth of appliances, if it generates the theoretical minimum of 1%, it's gonna be roughly $50. If it generates 2%, dude, we're already at $100, $150 if it goes to 3. So I don't know what category it's going to fall into in terms of like what product that's considered. Dude, if that was considered like a luxury purchase or anything because of the price point, and it ends up being like a 5-6% commission, I mean, that's going to be sick, dude. You're talking $250, $300 that would go to Burns there. But yeah, it all really boils down to what Amazon considers it. Like general merchandise is 1%. Beauty products, which I'm not, you know, I don't know how many, but let me put it this way. With an audience in the live stream that's like 99% male, viewers that are about 91% male total on my channel, I highly doubt that we would be doing much revenue in luxury beauty products. Unless, of course, you guys share these links with your sister, your wife, your girlfriend, your mom, stuff like that. Then the higher price commission items can really come in. So yeah, dude, I would say $50 minimum on that, because I've basically seen a 1% average everywhere. If you do buy, and I don't know how many people that do it, but Amazon has like fresh food deliveries. Those don't generate a commission. So I did see on the commission schedule that like fresh food deliveries. So I don't know if you guys have Amazon delivering your groceries and stuff, but unfortunately, there must be like no margin in groceries, because they don't split any commission with that. So just be aware of that. If you guys are using the Amazon link for groceries, it's not going to generate a commission. But Suzuki, man, that is absolutely awesome, man. That is absolutely awesome. So yeah, dude, thank you very much for that. And sincerely, if you guys share it with everybody, you know, maybe your mom does buy some makeup, maybe your sister buys some makeup, whatever. Those are the higher priced items, but everything that I've seen is basically a 1% commission, man. Peach Ignode. Oh, I will never. Where was the peach? On Suzuki? Was that a peach? Was there a peach on that? Oh, no. This one? Hold on. It's going to play it. Nope, hold on. I think I did ignore it. Pika. I'm sorry. Hold on. Here we go. Pika Power! Thank you very much for the... I will never ignore an extra fuzzy peach. Pika Power, thank you very much for that super chat. I did ignore it because I was going on about Suzuki's answer right there. Pika, thank you very much for the Clay Bros peach. And it's extra fuzzy today. And I'm not even fluffy. Oh, but that peach was fluffy. You know that's right. Let's see, not as bad as the banana one. Roulette Wheel, you like that peach one, and you know you do, man. Let's see. Suzuki, isn't it amazing when somebody actually cares and doesn't try to scam people? If you're talking about HRM, yeah, dude. Yeah, it really is. And if you would think about just all of the legitimate projects that could theoretically be out there, if people didn't want to go drain liquidity pools, people could be making so much more money in crypto than they're currently making. It's stinking wild, man. Peter, leave my makeup drawer alone. Yeah, Dark. Now, we know, based on Dark Bro's review, the hoodie he bought goes perfect with a soft pair of leggings. We know that Dark Bro probably isn't joking about that makeup drawer. And we also know that Pudgy's having a great day because Pudgy! Pudgy. Whee! Pudgy, man. Oh, gosh, I'm getting whee! Pudgy, thank you very much for the super chat. I'm going one more, dude. I don't want to throw up. Pudgy! Go around twice. Thank you very much for the super chat. Pudgy, absolutely appreciate it, man. I don't know if anybody's ever sent me that one right there. You guys try to send that one all the time where I get wrecked and I have to like dive on the chair and you guys are going to break my chair. Have you guys ever sent the one where I get to spin around like that? I don't remember spinning around like that. Pudgy, man, thank you very much for the super chat. That one was fun, dude, but for some reason, and I don't know if you guys know why it would be, I promise you I get dizzier faster than I should spinning around. I don't know what the deal is with that. Dark, pass it. Yeah, right, Dark. Yeah, right, man. Oh, my gosh. Good technique with the counter spin to balance. I did, yeah. I purposely did that, JB, because I get dizzier than I probably should spinning around. So I knew that I was going to have to go back and forth on that one so that I didn't get terribly dizzy on it. And here I was about to throw a $500 super chat. Clear, bro, done messed that up. I would never mess anything up, man. Commission at Amazon for appliances is 4.5%. Well, dude, listen, if that's what hits and it was an appliance, I don't know, the purchase hasn't come through yet, that is going to be phenomenal. Clay, bro, do you know you have merch on... Well, let me look, because I thought I looked at it one day, but I thought I deleted. I uploaded a thing to see what it would look like, but I did not think that it saved. So actually, no, Pika, I did not know. That I would have merch on there. Huh. No, I did upload that design, so yes, I mean, that is legitimate. I did not know that saved, though, because that's obviously stupid to have a white t-shirt with white print on it with the bro logo there. So, yeah, I do know that I did upload that, but I thought for sure that I had deleted it. You guys still can, I mean, theoretically, you could still buy that if you wanted, but I guess it would be a little bit cheaper than the Amazon one if you really wanted it. But dude, look at the shipping. You guys can't see it right there, but the shipping says orders placed after November 22nd. They're not even guaranteed by December 25th. Who the heck wants to wait a month and a half to get their stuff? Nobody is the answer on who the heck wants to wait a month and a half to get their stuff. So I actually did not know, and I'll probably just delete that unless I go in and upload a bunch of designs or whatever and set it up. But yeah, just buy the stuff off of Amazon if you want it. I don't know. Nobody would want to wait a month and a half to get it. Guys, it is 104, and Pika, actually, thank you very much. I'm just trying new ones for the day of the suffering. Yeah, thank you very much, Pudgy. I actually enjoyed that one, but that one could make me sick if we're spinning around too much. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs, and we will be back. Appreciate every single one of you guys for being in here. Dark Bro, thank you very much. Pudgy, thank you very much. Pika, Suzuki, all of you guys that sent some super chats, had some fun with it. Thank you very much for that today. We will obviously be back later this afternoon, and like I said earlier, this week's going to be a little bit of a different live stream schedule towards the end of the week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the live streams are going to be tentative. Most likely not live streaming those days, but I mean, stay tuned. We might do something. No, we got to plug the merch. We got to plug the merch on the way out. Hold on. We got to click that button there. No, we got to click this one. Yeah, we got to plug that merch on the way out after I say Suzuki! Thank you very much for the super chat. Suzuki says, did I mention we received our second order of hoodies? You did not, man. My son is sporting his today at school. I was wearing mine yesterday while putting up the decorations. Amazon review done and posted pics of my son and myself. Very, very nice, Suzuki. And thank you very much for the review. I hope you guys absolutely love those hoodies. I think it's awesome that you guys got matching hoodies there. So thank you very much for grabbing those. And I'll have to check that review out. Hopefully it's a 5-star review, Suzuki. And dude, hopefully, I mean, you still got plenty of time. Hopefully you win another bro hoodie, man. We got a shout out to JB on the way out. JB, man, thanks for being in here. Dark Bro, Pika, Kenneth, Pika Power. Thank you very much for pointing that Streamlabs thing out, Pika. Dark Bro, Pudgy, Mr. Normus, Roulette Wheel, man. See you later. Gary, Dark Bro, Black Sheep, Blockchain. See you later, man. Pika Power, Ramsey, Dark Bro, Roulette Wheel. We gotta go back up. Pudgy, man, never ignore. Razmi, see you later. Pika Power, Ellis, see you later. We got Suzuki, Bender, Gorilla, Dark Bro, Giovanni, Geoped. Toodles to you, Kai. Dark Bro, man. Pika Power, SD, later, everyone, later, SD. Kai, see you later. Dark Bro, Kombu, Dark Bro, Pudgy, Kombu, Kai, Pika, Jibbos, Suzuki. You guys know what time it is. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.